back to Crafty Kids. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy paper Pikachu pajama. So you all know about Pokemon and you also know about Pikachu. So I decided to make a character by combining them both, which I thought would be a really cool character, and I came up with the idea of Pikachu. So and I also thought of making a pajama with it, so I made this pajama. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really cute Pikachu pajama. So get started, I'm just going to be taking a yellow brownish piece of paper like this, and first we'll be starting off with the top. So for that I'm just going to be folding the paper in half like this, and I'm going to be opening it. And now I'm just going to be taking this scissor and I'm going to be cutting it at the corners to make it to get into a rectangular shape. We're just going to be taking the rectangle because we're not going to be taking a square paper for this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be folding this in half as I said. And now I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm going to be folding it in half in this direction. So now I'm just going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle point over here from the rectangular side of the paper. So the next step is that I'm just going to be turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm going to be folding it a little bit at the bottom like this. So now I'm just going to be taking this outwards part over here and I'm going to be taking this one and I'm going to be folding it like this, gently over here. So now I'm just going to be taking this top part and I'm folding it and I'm going to opening it backwards. Now I'm just going to be turning this paper over here and I'm going to be taking this top part and I'm going to be folding it over here and I'm going to be folding this part over here. So now I'm just going to be leaving it like this. So now I'm just going to be taking this one and I'm going to be making it come to the top part over here like this. So before that, I'm just going to be taking this one and I'm just going to be folding it over here gently like this. And now I'm just going to be making it come backwards and I'm folding this one to the top over here. I'm seeing if the size is perfect over here. So next we're just going to be making the collar. So for that, I'm just going to be folding this one back onwards like this in the outwards direction. And now I'm just going to be folding this part a little bit at the top. Now I'm just going to be taking this entire part and I'm going to be folding it to the top part like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be opening this portion of paper over here and I'm just going to be applying some glue at the other part of the paper and I'm going to be sticking this to the top. So now the top part of the pajama is ready. So now I'm just going to be sticking it well. Next, I'm just going to be taking the other paper and I'm going to be doing the bottoms. So this one I made in blue paper for Doraemon and this one I'm going to be doing in yellowish brown. So you guys can take any color you like. So for the bottoms, I'm just going to be folding the paper in half. And now I'm going to be folding both sides of the paper to the half like this. And I'm just going to be opening them like gently like this. And I'm going to be folding the paper and divide it into 3 parts over here. So now I'm just going to be opening this over here and I'm going to be folding it to the middle part where all the 3 parts are folded together. So now I'm just going to be taking it over here and I'm making it correct in size, gently like this. So now the next step is that I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting it until this much over here. Next, I'm just going to be taking this top part and I'm going to be folding it over here. So now I'm just going to be opening it over here a little bit, and if you have like any poking out parts, you can just gently pick it off. And I'm just going to be folding it like this to make it nice and curved. Now I'm just going to be cutting it over here at the edges since it's kind of bigger over here. So I'm just going to be cutting it, and now I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm applying some glue, and I'm taking the top part and I'm going to sticking it on top. So now our pajama is ready. So I just made this one in a kind of different style, but they're almost the same. So now if you want, you can even fold the paper a little bit at the bottom part to make it like more cuter and a style at the bottom over here. So now next we'll be starting off by making the Pikachu symbol. So before that, I'm just going to be taking a blue marker and I'm going to be writing Pikachu at the bottom part. So spelling is P-I-K-A-D-O-R. So I'm going to be writing this on both sides of the bottom part of the pajama. So now the bottom part is ready. So now let's move on to the top part. So for that, I'm just going to be taking an A4 sheet and I'm going to be taking some remaining part from that. And I'm going to be taking a scissor and I'm just going to be cutting out a little bit from it slowly like this. So now we'll have like a small portion left. So for that, now I'm just going to be taking a black pen to draw. So you guys can take a pencil if you like, but I'm just going to be taking black pen to draw since I'm good at it. So first we'll be starting off by drawing a small circle like this. So this will have like a Doraemon face and the ears of a Pikachu, as you guys see. So now I'm just going to be drawing like 2 eyes gently like this, and I'm drawing a line that connects them both over here. So I'm just going to be coloring in the eye in the middle part. Now I'm just going to be drawing a small circle, and I'm going to drawing a line that comes from that and a big smiley. So now I'm also going to be drawing like 3 small cute cat ears on both the sides for the whiskers. For the next, I'm just going to be drawing like big 2 ears for the Pikachu like this. So now I've completed drawing. Now next important part is coloring. So to get started, I'm just going to be taking this black marker and I'm going to be giving an outline at the top part, and I'm going to be coloring in the ears a little bit at the top like this. Now I'm just going to be taking a yellow marker and I'm coloring in the bottom left part over here gently like this. So now I'm just going to be taking a light blue pencil and I'm just going to be coloring in the top part over here slowly like this at the top part. So I'm also going to be coloring it in the whiskers part over here as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be like drawing and giving it an outline like this over here. So now I'm just going to be taking this red marker and I'm giving a small coloring in over here on this part over here. And I'm just going to be taking this dark blue marker and I'm going to be giving an outline for the face. And I'm also going to be coloring in the whiskers slowly like this, and I'm going to be giving the eyes an outline. So after we complete this, our character is ready. So this is Pikadore. So nice to meet Pikadore. I hope you guys like this character. So now I'm just going to be cutting this out gently like this. So I'm just going to be cutting this character out. So please be really careful while cutting, because if you cut any part, you'll be hard to draw it again. So I'm just making a small Pikachu pajama. So if you really like this character Pikachu, you could even use it to do money crafts. So you can stick it on your shirt, you could draw this, and you can even do more decoration, and you can even use it as your key. You can put it in your keychain, you can stick it on your pencil box or anything in a pencil case. So after we complete that, I'm just going to be sticking this over here on the pajama shirt that we made like this. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking the dark blue marker that we had, and I'm just going to be giving it a little more coloring over here around this part of the Pikadore. This is for more decorations. If you guys want, you can do more decorations to it. So for example, at the top you can write Pikadore like I'm writing. So it's your wish, because decoration is a really important part in the pajama. So then you can even do more cuttings to the hands over here. So if you feel like the shirt or the pant is difficult, you can refer my old videos. I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper shirt and even a paper bottom or a pant. So you guys can refer that, and last you can stick it over here. So if you want to even put a belt, for example, you can just put a line over here. Then you can put one more line at the pant. Then you can put small dots over here, and you can make a belt. So now I'm also going to be putting small 3 dots over here at the bottom part like this. And I'm going to be putting small dots around this Pikadore thing over here. This is for more decoration. So it's just a pajama. So if you want to even make like it's realistic, so you can watch some videos where they make like realistic shirts in which you can put them on your Chelsea doll or anything. And if you do like that, you can even use it and you can go ahead and outfit it on your doll. If you want to even take photos using it. So I'm just going to be giving a small outline for the eyes over here. So after we complete this, our paper Pikadore pajama is ready. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So hope you like this craft, and if you want more ideas like this, you can definitely comment in the comment box below, and I'll refer to them and do it as soon as possible. So if you like this video of combining 2 cartoon characters, you can mention in the comment box. I'll try to combine more characters like this. So actually 2 of my subscribers asked me to make a Doraemon craft, another subscriber asked me to make a Pikachu craft. So I thought of, I didn't have much time for making like both of them. So I thought of combining them both to make like a single character. And the idea that came to my mind was Pikachu. So I thought of making it, and it was like a new character, and I didn't even find it in Google or YouTube. So that will be really unique of me to post it, and it will also be a good creation or craft. So that's why I made this pajama. So if you guys have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, you can comment in the comment box below. If you have any doubts regarding my craft, you can even ask it, and I'll definitely see the comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Also share this video with all your friends and family, and keep continuing to watch my channel for more interesting videos like this. So I want to thank you all for supporting me and my channel, and I post videos regularly on my channel. So keep continuing to watch my channel and share this video with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!